Plus app, like videos buffering issue, or app crashing, stuck on logo or any other issue with Disney Plus app, then you can easily fix this issue by following these simple troubleshooting methods here. So, let's see in detail below. Check your internet connection. For a seamless streaming experience on Disney Plus, a stable internet connection is essential. In case your Samsung TV lacks an internet connection or has a weak signal, it may result in buffering, freezing, or the app failing to load altogether. So, make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi and having stable Wi-Fi connection. Reset router or modem. Unplug your router from the power source, wait for 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This can help refresh the connection and resolve temporary network issues. Make sure your router is placed close to your Samsung TV. Restart your Samsung TV and Disney Plus app. To enhance the performance of your Samsung TV and Disney Plus app, a simple restart can sometimes resolve temporary glitches. Follow these steps to restart your TV and the app. Turn off your Samsung TV using the remote control. Unplug the TV from the power outlet and wait for 60 seconds. Plug the TV back in and turn it on. Launch the Disney Plus app and check if the issue is resolved. If restarting the TV doesn't help, you can try force closing and relaunching the Disney Plus app. Press the home button on your Samsung TV remote. Navigate to the Disney Plus app icon. Press and hold the select button until a menu appears. Select Close or Force Stop to close the app. Relaunch the Disney Plus app and check if the problem persists. Restarting your TV and the app can help clear temporary cache, refresh the connection, and resolve minor software issues. Update your Samsung TV software. Press the home button on your Samsung TV remote. Navigate to Settings, Support, Software Update. Select Update Now to check for available updates. If an update is found, follow the on-screen instructions to download and install it. Once the update is complete, restart your TV and launch the Disney Plus app. Clear Disney Plus app cache and data. Press the home button on your Samsung TV remote. Navigate to Settings, Apps. Select the Disney Plus app from the list. Choose Clear Cache and confirm the action. Select Clear Data and confirm the action. Relaunch the Disney Plus app and log into your account. By clearing the data, your login information will be erased, necessitating you to sign in again once the process is complete. Clearing both the cache and data can rectify issues associated with app performance, freezing, or crashing. Reinstall the Disney Plus app. Press the home button on your Samsung TV remote. Navigate to Apps and find the Disney Plus app. Press and hold the select button on the app icon until a menu appears. Select Delete or Uninstall to remove the app from your TV. Restart your Samsung TV. Open the Samsung App Store and search for Disney Plus. Select the app and choose Install to download it on your TV. Once the installation is complete, launch the app and sign into your account. To address persistent issues with the Disney Plus app on your Samsung TV, consider reinstalling the app. By doing so, you can ensure that you have the latest version installed, which may resolve any ongoing problems. Check for Disney Plus service outages. Occasionally, streaming issues on Disney Plus may not be attributable to your Samsung TV or the app itself. Instead, the problem could lie with the Disney Plus service. Disney Plus may encounter temporary outages or technical difficulties that can impact streaming across different devices. That's it, this is how you fix Disney Plus app not working on Samsung Smart TV.